In the meadows green and wide, where gentle breezes softly glide, lives a world of creatures so dear. Let's learn about them, have no fear. First meet Daisy, the friendly cow, with a coat of black, brown, or white somehow. She gives us milk so creamy and sweet, to make yogurt, cheese, and ice cream to eat. Next say hello to Woolly the sheep, with fluffy wool that's soft and deep. She provides us with cozy wool so warm, for sweaters, blankets, and hats in any storm. Now here comes Percy, the playful pig, with a curly tail and a happy jig. He loves to snuffle and roll in the mud, and his oinks and grunts are pure joy, not dud. Over by the pond, see Daffy the duck, with feathers sleek and a happy cluck. She paddles in water so calm and serene, eating bugs and plants her feathers preen. Don't forget Henrietta, the busy hen in the hen house. She's the queen. She lays eggs fresh and brown or white, for breakfast omelets that are a delight. Lastly meet Gary, the goofy goat, with the beard so long and a playful float. He climbs and jumps on rocks and logs, munching on leaves, he's quite the rogue. These animals on the farm so bright, bring us joy and wonder day and night. Let's care for them with love and glee. Oh, wugs and gleeful play. She lays eggs fresh and brown or white, for breakfast omelets that are a delight. For they're part of our family, you see. Now you've met our farmyard friends, with tails to wag and wool that bends. Let's cherish them, big and small, in our hearts they stand tall.